Everyone, welcome back. Today is 21 September 2024, and here is Memefi Secret Combo Rewards. I'm your host. You are watching Don't Watch YouTube channel and listen and watch carefully how to apply this. As you know that this game have 4 parts: tab area. Number 1 is head, number 2 is chest area, number 3 is stomach, and number 4 is leg area. How to apply today's code? Number first tab is leg area, number 2 in chest area, number 3 again leg area, and last number 4 is chest area. Watch how to apply this. 4 2 4 2. Wait 5 to 15 seconds. Here is today's we are claim today's reward. Again watch how what is today's code. 4 2 4 2. Okay guys, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon, and for more and daily crypto updates also join our WhatsApp group. Don't also join WhatsApp group, link provided in description. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.